everybody. Next I will be making Japanese carpaccio with fish. Okay, so today I will be using snapper. It's raw snapper. Okay, then you want to hold your knife. Cut it like that, very thinly. And I'm not cutting it like that, you know what I mean? I have my knife tilted to an angle. I'm slicing it nicely. It's a nice thin slice. I'm going to start out small with the smaller slices. Then I'm going to squirt some lemon juice on. And when you squirt a lemon, the nice citrus scent of the lemon is actually, there's a lot more in the skin than the actual lemon. So instead of squirting it this way, you should squirt it this way so that the lemon juice will come out from the skin. Okay. Sprinkle some sea salt on. And then we are going to make the sauce. So 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and we are going to be using sesame oil. So 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. A little bit of wasabi. Oh, that's much more than a little bit as well. My husband and I love wasabi, so that's okay. But if you don't like wasabi, you don't have to put it in. Okay. Let me put the sauce on top. I'm gonna squirt just a little bit more lemon juice on top. And the sake of color, I'm just gonna put a little bit of parsley on top. What are you doing, sweetie? Okay, that's done. So pretty.